Step 1, download the Wise app. Next is click our invite link. You can see it in the description or in the pinned comment. Then you can see this detail. Risha or Aldrin has given you a free transfer of up to 31,500. Click register or sign in with Google. Then click personal account. Choose your country. I'm from Philippines. Then enter your phone number. Wait for the OTP and enter the code. Create your password. Then click continue and accept. Set passcode. Confirm then set. Then enter the other needed information like the full name, address, etc. After filling out your personal details, choose currencies to use. My client's currency is US dollars and mine is Philippine peso. Then it's your choice if you want a physical card but there is a one-time fee of 369.60 pesos or you can skip this. It is required to add a balance for your Wise account, so I add 700 pesos. It's okay because you can also withdraw that on your first transaction. I use BPI debit and the fee is just 10.50 pesos. You can either scan your code or enter the details. Then select your gender, nationality, occupation. I chose other and as a freelancer. Then second option is I'm not a US citizen. Then you need to provide a document or a valid ID. I chose Fill ID and click next. Then you need to take a photo of it. After that you have options, yes, match automatically. Then take a selfie because they will verify us. Then done for now. You can also turn on if you want to pay with just your email address or leave it off. You can also add your personal photo or choose from your library. Then click review and complete verification and enter the needed information, source of funds, salary. So here we enter the freelancer or your other job title. So here it is. They will add the balance today at 9 a.m. So that's it. Again, please use our invite code so both of us will benefit. And please subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you. Have a great day.